Hey students, again welcome back to my channel City. So last day we published the cue card list for July 2021. So you can prepare with that. So in that, most of the students requested to update the sample for the first cue card. That is, describe an occasion when you found it difficult to understand something in English. So today we are going to deal with this cue card. Okay, the sample answer. So you should include where you were, who you were listening to or reading to, explain whether the lack of understanding was a problem and how you dealt with it. So, here you can see that you want to explain your experience. That means when you find difficult to understand something in English. So, here I prepared one model answer. You can check out that. It's always better to start out with an introduction. So, this cue card is related to English language. So, you can give an introduction related to language or English language. Okay, let's start. English as the international language is gaining currency. Gaining currency means becoming prevalent, become popular all over the world. It is the most widely used language nowadays. So, just an intro. I was fortunate enough to have my education in a school where the medium of instruction was English. I'm fortunate means I'm lucky. Okay. Since the students used English for communication in the school, it was not a cumbersome. Cumbersome means difficult. Okay, difficult task for me to understand any instruction or conversation in English. Contrary to the perception, that means just opposite to my opinion, I had about my language skill. An incident happened when I was in my ninth standard that totally embarrassed. Embarrass means make me shy, embarrass me whenever I think about it. During the vacation, I chanced a trip to Bahrain where my parents were working. I chance means got opportunity to go to Bahrain where my parents were working. Though I was all by myself in the journey by plane, that means I was traveling alone. I was confident that I could handle any portable troubles that may arise during the journey. It was a foreigner who sat beside me in the flight. She started talking to me as it took off. To my shock, I could not understand a word of what she was saying as the American accent she spoke in was absolutely strange to me. So I find so difficult. I can't able to accept that. That's why to my shock. Okay, I began sweating as I could not respond to what she was saying. At that point of time, though not understanding was not a serious issue as she was only trying for a friendly conversation. So, understanding or not is not a great deal because it's just a friendly conversation only. Then also, I was really shocked. Okay, anyway, let's continue. I was really embarrassed or humiliated. Embarrassed or humiliated, same meaning only. You can use any word. Finally, see my misery. Misery means difficulty. She dropped the conversation, just stopped the conversation. However, on the brighter side, I started working on my language skill rather than staying overconfident. I think that the effort I took to improve my English language has only showered means provided in abundance, provided in a great amount. Okay, benefits on me. So showered benefits on me, great amount of benefits on me. I still make it a point to keep improving my communication skill in whichever way I could. So there onwards, I started to work to improve my English language skill. So that's about this cue card. So I hope you understood. So if you find any new words means try to write it down and try to collect some synonyms and use it. Okay, and try to practice. And if you want the sample answer means try to take a screenshot. I know that you are doing like that only. So thank you so much and keep on subscribing and watch out this space for more samples. And if you want any more samples means try to comment that below and I will prepare with that. So thank you so much again and all the very best for your speaking day.